When people come to my office seeking advice about a divorce, there's one thing on everybody's mind. Is it worth it? Is all the money and stress and everything that goes into that divorce process worth it in the end? Well, for most people, I think it is. Hi, my name's Christy Zlatkus, and I'm a divorce attorney here in Rockville, Maryland. And today's video is going to be a little bit different. We're going to explore the positives and negatives of getting a divorce and what it means to get through this stage to the other side. The first thing that I tell my clients is that the pain of divorce is temporary. Look, divorce sucks. I'm not going to sugarcoat it, and I'm not going to lie to you. If you are the left behind spouse, your world is probably turned upside down. I've been there. I've been told, I don't want to be part of this anymore. And by the way, I never loved you. That hurts. I've also been there when people leave their relationships, when they know that the pain of staying is greater than the fear of leaving, and that person has taken a big step into the great unknown. Is it worth it? Well, money is going to be tight for a while. Divorce attorneys are expensive, and figuring out a new routine with your kids is not easy. But this state of metamorphosis, this state of change is temporary, and you can get to the other side. The next question that everyone asks themselves is, what will the impact of my divorce be on my children? Well, I challenge you to think about this. What will staying in an unhappy relationship or marriage look like to your children? When your child has to walk into a house every day that has tension so high you can cut it with a knife, when your child is embarrassed to bring their friends home because mom and dad might be fighting and that would embarrass them, when kids have to worry about whether or not their parents are going to sit together on the bleachers or whether or not they're going to hear screaming at night when they go to bed, that's no way to live. You owe it to your children to show them the healthiest and brightest version of you. You owe it to your children to show them what a healthy relationship looks like so that they too don't end up in a situation like this. Look, I get that figuring out a new schedule is going to be hard. Figuring out a time to see your children when you're used to hugging them every single day and tucking them into bed every night. But for them, they deserve better. Divorce can be one of life's greatest opportunities to reinvent yourself. Look, I know that sounds all Pollyanna, but I believe that to be so true. I started a law firm based on that philosophy. When I went through my big breakup, I moved to a different county. I bought a home that suits me. I got those adorable Cocker Spaniels that you see on my firm's website. I took a stand-up comedy class. I started my own business. I got to redesign my life to fit me. I got to meet me again. And for each of my clients, I want them to meet the best version of themselves. So if you're thinking about a divorce, don't just think about how hard it's going to be for the next year or 18 months or however long your divorce takes. Think about your life 3 years or 5 years from now. Where do you want to live? What do you want to do during the day? Do you want to go on girls' trips? Do you want to try to find a new relationship? Whatever it is, it's your chance. Design your life your way. Life is short. Do not waste one more minute in an unhappy space. When you're ready to move on, when you're ready for your new beginning, call us.